All right, today I'm going to show you how you can turn numbers into words in Excel. So here we just have some numbers and we want to turn those into written words in these cells. Now Excel doesn't have a function or formula that you can use that's built in. So you're going to need to use VBA to create a script doing this for you. However, you're not going to have to create the code. I'll have that and I'll put it in the description of the video that you can use and copy. But basically what you're going to want to do is go to the developer ribbon. If you don't have the developer ribbon enabled, right click up at the top, go to customize the ribbon, and this little menu will pop up. On this side, make sure developer is checked and then hit OK, and then the developer ribbon should appear for you. So once that's appeared, you're going to want to go to Visual Basic or VBA, and this will pop up. Go ahead and go to Insert, Module, and that'll basically pop up a blank page for you. Then you're going to want to copy and paste the VBA code that I've provided for you. Add that in here and hit the Save button. Now we'll go back to our worksheet. Now select the cell where you want the number to be spelled out. Hit equals, spell numbers, and that is the name of the formula that you had just created or pasted into VBA. Now for this function, all you need to do is select the cell that you're wanting to spell out and hit enter. And that will spell that out for you. And that will spell it out for you. As you can see here, 270.3 or 0.30 and so on and so forth. And that's how you can turn numbers into words in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you and have such a great rest of your day.